Hey guys, Anna here from MI Digital. Let's set up and explore the core features of Upsell Plus all-in-one sales boost. First, connect Upsell Plus to your store by detecting the store theme. With our theme detected, let's move on to setting up the widgets that will display your upsell offers. In the App Blocks editor, search for Upsell Plus under the Apps tab and select the widget for your product pages. Drag and drop to adjust position and remember to save your changes. Next, let's set up a cart page widget to enhance your page with upsell offers. Navigate to Set up a cart page widget. In the App Blocks editor, search for Upsell Plus under the Apps tab and select the widget for your cart pages. Now, let's customize the appearance of your discount tables on product pages to match your store's design. For the volume discount template, you can choose between default, grid, or selector. After customizing, save your settings and preview the changes. Our app works with most Shopify themes. However, for tailored support, our 24/7 live chat is here to help. Finally, let's link Upsell Plus to your cart page. Head to Configure Cart Page to show discounts and connect the product price, product total, and cart subtotal. Make sure to check the cart page to ensure the discounts are visible. Now that we've set up the basics, let's dive into some of the powerful features Upsell Plus offers. With volume discounts, you can encourage bulk purchases. Start by naming your rule, then choose whether to apply the discount to all selected products or only the same variants. Decide if discounts apply to individual products or the total value. Set discount conditions, specifying the number of products and corresponding discounts. Select eligible products for the discount. Enable and customize the discount table, then preview it on your storefront. Optionally, set geographical restrictions and schedule the start date. Another great feature is free gifts, which can boost customer satisfaction and sales. Name your campaign, choose the type of free gift, set the conditions, select the free gift product, and specify any geographical restrictions and schedule dates. If you want to learn more about how to boost your sales with Upsell Plus, you should check out our case studies on ami.com. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.